Now the next one is Web of Science. Okay, Web of Science, there are various interesting facts which we are going to discuss now. Just see the first one. First one, information technology in industry. Okay, now just go to Web of Science. Web of Science. Just click this master journalist. Okay. If you want to check, you have to log in, but just see here, it shows my names. The reason is already I have logged in. Okay, I already log in here. So directly I can go with access. Now here, information technology industry. Now just see, these are the few journals which I am going to explain it now. First one is modern agriculture. Many agencies are sending this journal, modern agriculture, search journal. See, through the agency, this journal cost is only 5,000 scholars, only 5,000 rupees only. But at the same time, okay, they are collecting the money and saying that, so here, modern agriculture, search journals. Can you able to see what it is showing here? Hello?
On hold, sir.
On hold. Okay, on hold means you can see very easily not to publish in this journal, on hold. But still, the consultancies are gaining money. Okay, they are saying that they will publish the paper within a week. But here on hold, not only this journal, I will show another journal also. Information technology industry. On hold means it is under investigation. Just see, on hold, not to publish this journal, in this journal. Another important point is, see, for Web of Science, there are 4 important citations which we are going to discuss later. But when you are going to check the journals are indexed in Web of Science or not, click this view profile page. Once you are logged in only, you can be able to see this profile page, view profile page. If you just click that profile page, they will give clear detail. Okay, removed from coverage if it no longer meets the quality criteria. All these points will be there inside the view profile page. But what we people will do while looking at the first page itself, directly we will publish the paper. Okay, so we need to avoid, for that you have to check always view profile page. That is one point. First point, view profile page is very, very important. Second point, the second point, another journal is there, Allen Terry Journal of Agriculture Sciences. Now just see. Even in this journal, view profile page. Just see that in this journal, all the details they are given, complete details they are given. But what you have to do is, you have to always check the website. The ISSN number and website number, both are same. Website ISSN number, and now just see here, EISSN. Yes, EISSN means website, ISSN. Now 25647814. Just see here, 25647814. Again EISSN 2587 2249. 2587 2249. Yes, correct. Okay, so now you may have right to publish your paper in this Web of Science, but there is a drawback for this journal. What drawback means? Just see here, what drawback means. There is no impact factor. Just see, all the rest of the things they have not yet included. Okay, no impact factor. So it seems to be that it is not a quality journal, but still it is existence. Under existence, you may have right to publish, but at the same time, still it is not yet existent. Okay, that is the difference. Not yet now it is in existence, but not having very high impact factor. There is no impact factor. No impact factor means we cannot call that journal is a good quality journal. Web of Science means, already I have told, impact factor is very, very important. Sometimes based on the journal itself, you can click this Clarivate analysis. Okay, if you just click this, directly you can go to the Web of Science, but don't use that method. Okay, always just go to Web of Science website, Clarivate analysis website, and check the ISSN and other details by yourself. Okay, most of the people, again here, they are losing the money with these type of activities. Directly what they will do, they will use that website address and they will check whether it is indexed. It is indexed. Yes, they will pay the money and they will publish, but they won't check this master Web of Science journalist. Okay, later they will lose the money, and money they won't refund. And one more most important point, as per legal, okay, strictly they are saying that consultancies nowadays they are sending the message. Okay, what they are sending the message, if anything, if the journal is going to be removed by the publisher, consultancies, they won't take any responsibility. So you are paying consultancy not going to take responsibility. Publisher already he placed a detail in the website saying that consultancy should take responsible. We are not responsible for that. In between period of time, research scholars are losing their money. So this is in practice is happening. Okay, another important point, last point, I will explain this point and we will have some question and answer session. Again, I am telling another 3 or 4 sessions I am going to take complete about the Web of Science, not now, next coming week. Again, every week, complete continuously 3 week session. I am going to give a session on Web of Science, and again how to calculate your site score, how to index, in what way you can increase your profile, and third point, and how to calculate H index, impact factor, high index. Okay, and Web of Science, there are 4 index method is there, in which method you need to publish your paper. Even there is a difference in which method you need to publish your paper. Okay, since I have used this Zoom meeting link, it has taken some time for us today, but next time it won't be happen. I will seek to make some other arrangements to have continuous session for 1 hour to explain about the Web of Science. But last this point, just see here, in New York International Journal of Contemporary Agriculture. See, listen. So for this journal, again, just see this New York International Journal of Contemporary Architecture. In this journal, I have told already, always you have to see that archives. Okay, just click this archives. Okay, and now 2021. See here, go to back document PDF. What they have given here. Can you able to see?
Username, password.
Yes, they are asking user ID and password. Okay, but another important point, ISSN means what I have told, what type of journal it is.
Printed.
Printed journal. Okay, and another important point, now I think it is not working. So it has been protected. Just go for home page. You just go to home page. You can check about this article history. You have to see that journal history also. Okay, journal history means whether ESSN or ISSN, EISSN they are given. Okay, EISSN they are given, but there what they have mentioned, just see here one more point, EISSN now 21987688, go to achieves column, same 21987688, what they are given here. Can you able to see?
Yes.
Only
Yes, sir.
ISSN.
Here, Yes,
It means, what is the meaning for that? It is a question mark for us. Can you say that whether it is the correct ethical journal? Means no, we cannot able to say. The reason is EASSN, ISSN till now we have discussed with, miss, even in Scopus also you have seen. It is possible for them to give both the numbers are same?
No, sir.
No,
No, different
EASSN one number, ISSN one number. But for here in home page they are given one number stating with EISSN. But in achieves column they are saying that ISSN. ISSN means printed. Even if there is a mistake, sometimes even if there is a mistake, but article processing charges is free, 3 issues per year. Okay, but we need to see that whether it is a good journal or not, means already protected. Protection for one more important point here. See, protection, okay, present year means protection can be accepted. Now just see here, even 2014. What? Even 2014 also they have given protection. So subscription required to access them, like that they are given. But without knowing in what format we need to publish the article, what is the method of their method they have included in the article, all these type of things, which is very, very important for the journal, okay, to quote with complete details in publishing the paper. But they have not yet given anything. Achievers totally they have blocked. They are asking user ID, password, even the papers which was published already. Okay, but when we have raised the question to them, in what way you have protected, okay, you have not yet given free access, means they are given only 1 point. It is not a open access journal. Okay, since it is not a open access, they used to mention about open access journal. But for that, where to check, where to see whether this journal is open access or not open access, means in Web of Science only. So we need to see that complete details in the Web of Science. Again, I am telling, see, you people are going to face the problem. Okay, what purpose I have taken too much time for you to explain about Scopus and Web of Science, means still the session is not completed, but next week, again, I am requesting all the scholars to attend. If any problem, once you have submitted the paper to Center for Research, okay, if we identified that after, if you doesn't attend the session, that is your mistake. If we identified that your paper already removed, means we are not going to accept that paper. You are not going to accept that paper. So that's why the 90% of the journals or the consultancies nowadays, they are involving in publishing the papers by using this method. All the scholars are very much eager in publishing the paper. They knows very well. Most of the people are changing the website. I thought to give more number of examples, but due to time constraint, which is not possible. Okay, I have seen one journal which is already published in this Scopus. They have removed. Same journal, they have changed the publisher name. They have changed the publisher name. Again, they have indexed. Most of the people have paid the money, they have published. Now later on, the company is closed. Their company is closed. And still the company which existence and showing that paper, that journal which is indexed in this Scopus. But it is not indexed in this Scopus, already removed, same ISSN, published this different publisher. So don't think that which is easy for you to publish the papers in the recent days at any cost, Center for Research, we won't take any responsible for that. That's the reason I'm requesting all the scholars to attend the session and be aware of in publishing the papers, in which journal, in which Scopus or Web of Science, in what type of quality journal, if you are published, it is very safe for you. Okay, again, in forthcoming session and all, I'm going to quote some free journals also. There are n number of free journals where you can use it without paying any money. Free journals, it is a method of publishing a good journal, good article, and also it gives some good reputation for you since you are paying without paying when you're going for publication. So try to think like that. So I'm requesting all the scholars, okay, to attend compulsory session each and every week continuously. Again, 4 or 5 weeks, my session will be there regarding this journal publication only. I need to give a complete explanation about you should not lose your money at any cost. Already you are paying the fees and the full-time scholars are getting past few weeks, that is different. But at the same time, when we are asking you to publish the paper, again you have to pay some huge amount of money. Even if you want to go for free publication, it may take some period of time. So identified and publish the papers at any cost. The Scopus index papers only we are accepting. We are not accepting Web of Science. So for that, I have given the clear explanation in what way, which mail ID you have to use, okay, how to send the email communication before publishing the paper, and how to see that that paper to be indexed within a short span of time. And once they have removed also, we are not going to accept. For that only, I have given the explanation about how to select Q1 journals, Q2 journals, Q3 journals, and Q4 journals. Later, you should not tell that, yes, paper published, it's removed, sir, but how not, I cannot do anything, sir. Please try to consider my request and include, means we are not going to accept your request. Since you are not attend the session, not aware of the fact, we have given complete support for you. Okay, it is your mistake, means we are not going to accept. So we need only 2 papers to be indexed compulsorily. So for that Q1, Q2, which is very, very important, you can start journals. Just try to browse journals. I have told already, even with subheadings, mathematics, applied mathematics. With that applied mathematics, when you are just continuously go for journal, go for source type, open access. Open access means only limited journals are there. Go with open access limited journals. And another important point, sir, how to increase my citation? Always don't publish your paper in this type of restricted journals where you are not able to access any papers. Open access means which can be accessed by anyone, which is easy for you to increase your citation. So my personal suggestion is always select the journal which is very easy to access, open access, to increase your citation even in Scopus or Web of Science. Okay. So I have given a clear instruction for you people. At any cost, we won't take any responsibility. Okay, so for that you have to compulsory, it is mandatory to everyone to attend the session, AMET Research Connect Forum. It shows hereafter we will give what which is very important to you. Just like that, I am not going to arrange any lecture, what which is very, very important to you. So it is mandatory. Attendance is mandatory. Compulsorily you have to attend. Even for further process of you, any of your request only, which based on attendance of Connect Forum only. Okay, so we have to gain more knowledge regarding this. So for that, I am requesting all these research scholars every week, please try to show your interest and join at right time to learn a lot about not only with the publication, okay, even plagiarism. Okay, even regarding the plagiarism also, how to check plagiarism, in what method you may have right to reduce plagiarism. If you have published your paper with the plagiarism, what punishment which may be happened to that research supervisor and scholar, how many number of cases are pending in the Supreme Court regarded with the plagiarism, even if there is any thesis was led with any plagiarism, in what way you will be penalized, how many number of years imprisonment based on the percentage of plagiarism. All these points which I have already planned for you to give a right guidance to publish your paper without plagiarism, publish your thesis without plagiarism, identify the journal to publish your research article, and to be existence always, to have some good reputation, to bring some good reputation to you. Identify the good impact factor journals even in Web of Science, how to create user ID for Web of Science, how to create citation, increase your citation through Scopus and Web of Science. All these type of things which I fixed the schedule for each and every scholar hereafter, where I am going to give the explanation which is very easy for you to protect yourself without losing your money. Now I am asking, please, if you have any queries regarding with the Scopus and Web of Science. Web of Science only a 10% I have explained today. Okay, again I am asking any questions from your side, please let me know. Students, you can feel free to ask the questions about the publication of your research papers in both Scopus and Index.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Vinolan.
Yes.
And thank you for the session, sir. It was very useful. Sir, I have a query regarding actually, in order to go through some journal's profile, they are asking a mail ID with our institution. We are not able to access it with our normal Gmail account, sir. Sir, is it possible to provide a institute mail ID for scholars also?
My institute mail ID, so institute mail ID means how the faculty members we are accessing the institute mail ID, like that you people are asking.
Yes, sir, with at Amit University.
Access
Like
through,
that.
yes. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
because for
That,
journals.
yes. I will do that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I will
Thank
do
you.
that. Yes. Any questions?
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Samir.
Sir, in Scopus, if our journal is the Scopus coverage here shows that it is at present, meaning 1990 to at present it shows.
Yes.
And we have sound site score also, but it doesn't show ESSN. It shows only ISSN, meaning printed. Is it okay to go with that, sir?
Yes, printed you can proceed. Okay, but you just see that ISSN is there, but if it is shows web page, any web page means you should not publish. First point.
Okay.
Okay. Only ISSN printed journal still it is existence, but for that existence you just get confirmation from that Scopus elsewhere support.com. I have sent email. I have shown one email also.
Yeah.
So you have to send the request to them. They will give the reply immediately whether it is inactive or not. The reason is even if it is removed, but to update that removed journals in the Scopus, it may take 3 months, 4 months time. So did you understand? So even they have removed today, but they won't update the removed journals immediately. It may take September month or October month only. They are going to update. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is you have to send the email to that Scopus and get confirmation from them. If they given the reply, it is in active means you can proceed.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any questions? So I think, hope you all understood how to access Scopus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please try to publish
Shall
your
I proceed?
papers in fake journals and try to publish your papers in Q1 and Q2 journals, which gives more valuable information to you through that journal, and also you can increase your personal citation also, on and off your personal citation also, which goes on increased. Okay, so next week session only one topic about Web of Science, that's all. How to identify fake journals in Web of Science. Next week, coming week session is Web of Science. So please try to attend Web of Science session. Okay, and regarded the queries what you have raised, which will be identified and will be sorted out in a short span of time. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your knowledge. I'm sure that the lecture you gave today will definitely help us for the further process in our research. You gave deep insights into the topic and also revealed informative facts about Scopus and Web of Science journals and its impact factors. And also, I thank you for clearing up all our doubts. Now, as we come to the end of the meeting, I would like to invite Ms. Satya, Research Scholar, Department of Chemistry, to propose the vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to everyone. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this Amit Research Connect Forum organizing webinar. On behalf of Amit University, I would like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor and Registrar for constant support and guidance to this wonderful Research Connect Forum for our Research Institute Research Scholar. Next, I specially big thank to our Research Director, webinar convener, Dr. D. Rajshekhar, for conduct and organizing such a wonderful and useful event and each and every weeks. Then I sincerely thank to our very enthusiastic and motivational research person, Dr. D. Rajshekhar. In this session, we learned lot useful informations and knowledgeable content, sir. Next, how to check ISSN and ESSN, and also we got interesting knowledge, and also it's a very clear, excellent presentation, sir. And then I would like to thank faculty coordinator Dr. D. Helen ma'am, assistant professor, Department of Chemistry, and also thank student coordinator Miss R. Joy Salami, and also we thank you all research scholar and participant. Thank you so much.